Madam, regarding Rahul Mangutal issue, has been removed from Youth Congress state presidency. But was that the decision by party? He says he resigned on his own grounds.
Look, already he said what he has said, and I think this chapter is over because he has resigned from the Youth Congress. And I will say one thing, which is very, very clearly I want to say. So far to the party, no complaint has come from any person, any woman, or any family against Rahul. From the party, we didn't receive any complaint. Secondly, we came to know from various media where some people are complaining. So Rahul said it very clearly what he has said, and he has resigned from the Youth Congress. So now today also I saw in one newspaper there is a news that there will be a committee set up. But since we didn't get any complaint from any side, how we can do anything? It is not a legal battle. It is not a complaint against the battle which we are doing. It is on a moral ground what Rahul has decided and he has done. And in Congress always stood with the morality, and we stood by that. And I will ask now the other parties, they should also do the same way.
Madam, so he has not been removed and he resigned on his ground, as you said.
He has not been removed, he has resigned.
Okay, Madam, one more question. But LDF...
The victim already said that she gave a complaint to the party.
No, we have not. Even today also I spoke to the KPCC president. We didn't get any kind of complaint, and not in the police station also there is no FIR lodged against him.
Madam, one transgender gave a complaint to you.
To me? No, no. I didn't get any complaint.
Madam, the victim has great acquaintance with the leader of opposition. He's a neighbor and a close family friend. So he was told about this issue years before, I was told. So
no, but we should get some official complaint. Yes, everybody, CLP leader also responded on this issue. So I don't have to say anything because that chapter 2 days before is over. Since we didn't get, the party didn't get any complaint.